Yep, it's on.
Who hit first? Brian.
I didn't see. I was doing an interview. I didn't see.
You stepped out. Brian stepped out.
Brian's out. Keep going. All right, Mary. Sorry. Keep going.
So, Frank, what are you doing right now?
Man, we're playing sumo at the end of our training, which is one of our training games. Conditioning, balance, and explosiveness. So we're working on that right now.
So, what happened last weekend?
Man, Bob's Fruit's team mashed us at the IFL. I'm totally disappointed. We went 0 for 6. Even our alternate, Clint, the Aztec lost. So yeah, I was pretty disappointed. And back to the drawing board, man. We got lazy and been screwing around, having a good time. And I think it's just a wake-up call to get back to basics and go back to fighting.
So, I mean, what happened? Are they not training enough? Or what?
I don't know. I mean, they were in good shape. I think that they had good strategy. I just don't think they were mentally focused and prepared against a team that really was. I mean, they, obviously, Boston team came to fight, and I don't think my guys were there as a unit, ready to, go to war.
So, what are you going to do to prepare them for the next IFL?
I'm going to update their strategy. We're going back to basics. Going back to the basics of Shamrock Submission Fighting, the fighting system, the basics of MMA, and getting stronger in our base. That's our motto for 07 here.
You said in another interview that you have to prepare them mentally next time. How
Yes.
did you do that?
Well, we're going to get them focused a little more mentally, make them a little mentally stronger, a little more mentally sound, give them some mental challenges. Fighting is one, but you also need those outside the ring. Learn to focus and meditate, control yourself, balance yourself, and focus your weapon when you need to. So mental training is going to be a big part of the addition. And kickboxing, basic kickboxing, moving forward when you strike. That's what the boys weren't doing. And I kept yelling at them, so we'll be doing that as well.
So the last time the team dropped them, will you be doing that with the team as well, taking it around?
If you don't show up and train, if you're not 100% mentally, physically, spiritually ready to fight MMA for the Razor Claws or for Frank Shamrock, then you're going to get cut. If you are, then you're cool on our team. We got a good group of guys. They train hard. They're focused. They're good guys. They just need good leadership, and I'm here to lead them. We're dedicated to getting them from point A to point B. But everybody's showing up to train. If you don't show up to train or you don't improve, you're out. But as long as you're learning, that's the Marshall way. You're going to have a spot on our team.
And there's going to be tryouts here April 28th.
April 28th. Yes, we got tryouts. So make sure you're in shape. Come down and try out. We're looking for new athletes, new talent, MMA stars. If you want to be an instructor, teacher, fighter, trainer, we got the spot for you. So come on down. And what day is it again?
April 28th.
April 28th. Don't miss it.
Thanks, Frank.
You're welcome. Bye.